reaction I'm going to be performing today is the Thermite reaction. This reaction is very explosive and very loud. It's often used in welding and other industrial properties because of how hot it gets. To explain a little bit what we have going on right here, in these flower pots I have a mixture of iron oxide and aluminum powder. So iron oxide powder mixed with aluminum powder. Now those two things will react, but not at room temperature. So they're stable right now at room temperature. They'll react whenever you raise the temperature. You raise the temperature by having another exothermic reaction occur. That other exothermic reaction, you've got potassium permanganate crystals in there, and a glycerol right there. Here. Glycerol and potassium permanganate, when reacted, are going to be exothermic. It's going to release heat. The heat that's released will then raise the temperature high enough that the iron oxide and the aluminum can react and form the thermite reaction. The thermite reaction, the reason it's used in welding and things like that is because the incredible temperatures it gets to. It can get as high as, let's say, 1,500 degrees Celsius. So whenever I start this reaction, it's going to take a few minutes, but I'm going to pour the glycerol in, the reaction will begin, and you're going to have basically sparks pouring out of the top and molten lead coming out of the bottom, and you're going to end up molten iron, pardon me, molten iron pouring out of the bottom, and you'll end up with molten iron, which is going to end up looking like this. So I'll pass these around. This is from last year. This is the iron that came out of last year's reaction. I'll pass a few around. Okay, hang on to these. You can look at them. All right, so let's get this started because it usually takes a few minutes for the potassium permanganate reaction to finish. So if you can start the aluminum and iron reactions. Let's do this. So first it should start smoking, and the smoke is from that first reaction. And then the second part, you're going to have sparks coming out of the top and the molten. There you go.